Good day, judges. So this is our team, and our title is the development of Myers-Briggs type indicator chatbots to improve the job cycle process. So we are targeting for the Indeed track. So here are our team members, which is Ziguan as a front-end developer, Zuan as a back-end developer, Shannon as a back-end developer, and me, Huahui, as a product owner. So we come from different engineering backgrounds, such as mechatronics and mechanical. So first of all, let me introduce challenges faced in most job cycle application process. First, which is the lack of engagement. Second is time-consuming. Third is difficulties in finding quality candidates, and lastly is the hiring process is very boring. So how we can resolve all these challenges and issues? So we implement a chatbot which has a Myers-Briggs type indicator, which these indicators can implement in all of the stages, such as the preparing and sourcing stages, sourcing and screening stages, and selecting stages, hiring stages, and lastly before the onboarding stages. So without further ado, let us go to the demo of the project, which is the outcome of the project. So first of all, from the left side, which is the chatbot interface. So we build a chatbot interface and we try to extract the personal information from the user by the user interacting with the chatbot. So from the right side, you can see that we can generate a user profile. So this user profile can allow the users to connect with suitable companies, and also the suitable recruiter can also connect with the users with this profile. Yeah. So further on, let's go to the second part, which we also did a database for this chatbot. So our chatbot can store database into the SQL, and also we can also extract the database from the SQL. Yeah. So let's go on to the last one, which is our personality test. So we did the algorithm for this Myers-Briggs personality test, and at the end we can able to generate a user results which indicates what type of personality that user is, and by implementing this result, we can also recommend suitable career advice to the users, and we can also recommend different development codes for users to improve. And lastly, it also can help the users and also company in selecting their best company or candidates. So in this project, we implemented different technical skills such as Python, Figma, MySQL, and also Tinker. So lastly, because this is a hackathon, we are not have much time to do all the stuff. However, these projects are meaningful for us, and we think that it has a lot of improvement in the future. So here are some of the future planning that we can do, such as implement different pre-employment assessment in the chatbot. So second is to implement a chart such as bar chart, high chart, and etc. to have a better visualities. And third is to have a suggestion for the career advice for the job seekers. And fourth is to recommend suitable candidates to the correct company so that we can reduce the overall time of the job cycle process. Fifth is to implement the attractive design of the chatbot to let the users not very boring during the job application process. Sixth is to implement a planned mini games that enables to get the desired outputs from the users. And lastly is to implement the machine learning and also AI to enhance the interaction with the users. So yeah, this is our groups, and also this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.